Hello everyone, my name is Likit Krishna. I am an intern in Intellify. Today we are going to study about converting decimal to percentage. Before going to the chapter, we have to know what is a decimal is. In algebra, decimal number can be defined as numbers whose whole number part and the fraction number part is separated by a decimal point. Here you can see an example of 45.6. In this, the whole number is 45 and the fraction part is 6. The dot in the middle represents the decimal point. The fraction number is always less than 1. You can see here it's zero point 0.6. It's not compared to 1 because it is 0.6. It's not just 6. Decimal number is also a fraction where when we divide a number by another we get a decimal number. Steps to convert decimal to percentage. To convert a decimal to percent, multiply the decimal by 100, then add the percentage symbol. An easy way to multiply a decimal by 100 is to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Like if we want to get a percentage, we have to just multiply it by 100, so we get the required percentage. Here is an example of 0.75. I'm just multiplying it by 100, which is nothing but 75%. You may ask how it is. We have 100, so there are two zeros for 100, and the decimal point here is after the decimal point we have two digits. So if we multiply it by 100, the decimal point gets shifted after two digits. So it's nothing but 75%. The second example clears it. You have 0.8, but after a decimal point we have only one digit. So if you multiply it by 100, you get 80 because there are two zeros or two digits in an 100. So if you multiply it to a decimal point, the decimal point gets shifted to two digits after the number. So it's 80%. We can also convert the percentage to decimal point just by dividing it by 100. So here is an example, 6%. If you divide 6 by 100, it's nothing but 0.06. This makes you clear of the first step. Like if you multiply 100 to the decimal number, you get the percentage. If we divide 100 to the percentage, we get the decimal. Now I'm going to a simple example. The question is we have to convert the given decimal to percentage. First one, it's 0.75. As I said earlier, if you multiply just by 100, you get the required percentage. So 0.75 into 100, it's nothing but 75%, right? So the 100 has two digits, and after the decimal point there are two digits. If we multiply it by 100, you get 75%, and the decimal point shifts to two digits after the number. So the second one is 0.09. So if you multiply it by 100, it's nothing but 9%. If 9 is divided by 100, it's nothing but 0.09. Keep it in mind. If you multiply 0.09 into 100, you get 9. If you divide 9 by 100, you get 0.09. The third one is 0.2. So I'm just multiplying it by 100 and you get 20%. The second question is we have to estimate what part of the figure is colored and hence find its percentage. The first one, the circle, it's divided into four parts. You can't see here because only one part of the circle has been shaded. If you just divide it by 4, you get 4 equal parts, and one part in this is been shaded, so it's 1 by 4. I'm just going to multiply it by 100. If we divide the fraction 1 by 4, you get a decimal, right? So 1 by 4 in decimal is 0.25. So 0.25 into 100 is 25%. Here the circle has been divided into 5 parts, and 3 of the 5 is been shaded. So it's nothing but 3 by 5. The decimal part of the fraction is 0.60 or 0.6. If you multiply it by 100, you get 60%. And the third question is, here the circle has been divided into 8 equal parts, and 3 parts has been shaded. So it's nothing but 3 divided by 8. Here you can see here I have divided 3 divided by 8 into 100. It's nothing but 3 by 2 into 25. I'll say why, because I'm just going to divide 108 by 4. So 4 25s are 100, 25 4s are 100, and 4 2s are 8. So 3 by 2 into 25. It's nothing but 37.5%. 3 by 2, you can also divide it like this, or 3 by 8 is 0.375 into 100 is nothing but 37.5%. The third question is, you have to convert the given percents into decimal fractions, and also we have to simplify the fractions. So the first, I have written this in a table so it's easy to understand. The first question is 25%. 25% in fraction is nothing but 25 divided by 100. Keep it in mind, percentage is per 100. The definition itself says per centum. Per centum means 100, per 100. So fraction, so 25 by 100 is a required fraction. And if we simplify this, it's 1 by 4. You just divide it by 25. 25 4s are 100, 25 1s are 25. So it's 1 by 4. And the decimal part is 0.25. You can take the fraction given. So 25 divided by 100 is nothing but 0.25. 150%. 150% in fraction is 150 divided by 100. So in simplest form is 3 by 2. I'll say why. 50. 53s are 150 and 52s are 100. So it's nothing but 3 by 2. And take the fraction part. In decimal it's nothing but 1.5, because 150 divided by 100 it's nothing but 1.5. 20% in fraction is 20 divided by 100. In simplest form is 1 by 5, because 21s are 20 and 25s are 100. Can divide it by 20. So, and the decimal point is 0.2. The 5%, 5 divided by 100 in fraction. 1 by 20 is the simplest form, and 0.05 is the decimal form. Thank you.